of a number. How to write a program that identifies all factors of a given number and can determine whether each factor is even or odd. Okay. So that means we need to find, let's say, factor of 4. So factor of 4 means, let's say, 1 to 4. And we need to check what is factor. If the remainder is 0, that's a factor, right? Then we need to divide, all the numbers till that number by 4. That means 4, 1, 4 by 2, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 4, 4 by 1, remainder 0, 2, 4 by 2, 0, 4 by 3, not 0. So factor of 4 is what? 1, 2, 4. Now, out of 1 to 4, 1 to 4, which are odd and which are even, we need to see. If 1 percentage 2, I mean 1, the remainder, when we divide that number with 2, and the remainder is 0, then it's even, it's odd. So this is the plan. Okay. So let's say I find a define factor, and we'll put an argument integer n. Okay. Now, let's say we give the number 4. So now it will check for I in range 1 to n plus 1, because in range it goes till n. So if I give n plus 1, it will go till n. Okay. First, we need to check if it is a factor or not. If n percentage I, if n, if n zero, then you can type negative number can now be n. Please enter positive number. Then if n is that equal to, if n is greater than 0, then come back for I in range 1 to n plus 1. Then here we need to check if divided by 4 by 1, right? 4 modulus I equals to 0. Then the factor variable equal to I need a factor. I need a factor, then come back. If factor percentage 2 equal to 0, then it's a enter a factor else or. On it, give the number 4. Sorry. Print f factor. Okay. Let's see. Now we try factor of 4. One is not to. Okay.